Hello YouTube world, how are you all doing this evening? And welcome to my Clickbank series. My name is Dan Bird, and just to begin things, if you could please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. So for today, we're on day number 3 of my Clickbank series, $1 to $2,000 per month. If you could, if you are just coming in on day 3, I would appreciate it if you could go ahead and start on day 1. And to do that, just click on any of the videos. And if you go down here where it says show more, and then click on $1 per day, it'll take you back to where you can see all of the videos in order 1 through 3. It'll take you to the playlist, and if you haven't already, these are the links to join My Lead Gen Secrets. Is this right here? And we'll go ahead and open up My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're going to need that here in a minute. And we do have a promotion going on currently with one of the other series that I introduced you to yesterday. If you turn 6 figures into turn $25 into 6 figures in just a few months. So if you open up any one of the videos of the other series, and to get to those series, you can just click, or you can just go to the site birdiesaffiliates.com, and that'll take you to my YouTube page, and you can click on any of my series from there. But if you scroll down right here, where it says try AI for free, and you click on it, it'll open up, and they have a Home Business Academy, which is the other series on my YouTube channel right here. I have 10 videos that'll teach you step by step on how to make money using the Home Business Academy. Well, they have a promotion going on right now for you can test drive Home Business Academy free for 2 weeks, and you can also test drive what's called Emerson. It's an artificial intelligence, and it's something that's really cool. Here's what the AI can do. You can write headlines and write emails, write video scripts, and do a whole bunch of different things. So I'm logged into my Home Business Academy Premium, and what I need to do is just click on Emerson Magic Content, and basically you can say things like write me an attention-getting YouTube video, write me a Facebook post, or give me 3 hashtags about online marketing. So we'll just highlight that and see what it gives me. So give me 3 hashtags for online marketing. I've used this; it works pretty good. It gives you really good hashtags, but you can use it to write HTML, basic HTML for a whole bunch of things for Facebook advertising or anything. But it's really cool. But that's just a bonus. What's really good about it is you can test drive Home Business Academy for 2 weeks for completely free with no charge, not even the basic $24.5 charge that you normally have to pay. So anyway, if you are interested in that, you just go click on any of my videos here in my HBA program, and just click on that any one of the videos, and then you click down below here, hit show more, and all the links are right there. So you can click try AI for free. So anyway, let's get back to the Clickbank series. And so hopefully you all have joined Clickbank. Let's see if I have it open up here. Okay, so you want to go ahead and open up your Clickbank, and then click on the affiliate marketplace, and then it makes you click on it twice. Then you want to click on e-business and e-marketing. Let me pause my other video. You can also, if you would like, after you sign up, you can jump right in. The training goes step 1 through 4, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. One of my other videos is playing in the background here somewhere. Through that with my YouTube videos and teach you everything you need to do, and you can start making pretty good commissions pretty fast. Here it is. I like it. So anyway, so like I said, let's open up. So I already got my Lead Gen Secrets window open. I talked about My Lead Gen Secrets quite a bit, and so we want to go ahead and open up that window, and then also underneath the video you will see in one of my links right here, you scroll down and you'll see towards, let's see here. Okay, we want to open up my Clickbank series link. So open one of these here. So go to video 1, 2, what matter, the link will be in all of the videos. And then here's where I mentioned earlier, you can join, you can go ahead and join MLGS, or you can join, if you want to use an autoresponder, here's a link for get response. And then if you'd like to have traffic driven to any one of your websites, you can sign up for a free Traffic Authority account. You can, and after you log in, make sure you purchase the traffic with this link. But if you click on the daily email swipes Google link right here, this will pop up. And so we've already done the first 2 days, so we're gonna start day number 3 here. And we'll start on a new page, maybe. There we go. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to your Clickbait Marketplace. And so make sure that after you click on the Affiliate Marketplace and then you click on the e-business, e-marketing, you want to sort results by gravity. So you want to sort results by gravity, high to low. And the one we've been promoting is this live chat jobs with this high gravity score 2.8, but you can promote any one of these, but I'm going to promote this one for at least a week. So what you want to do is you want to right click on the affiliate page here and leave this page open. New page pops up, and then we are on video, or on email number 3. So you just scroll down to the email swipes here, and then we are on 3 today. So we want to go ahead and subject or copy the subject line in email number 3, and we will dump it into our document. And then we will copy the body of the email and go ahead and include the hop link. So Control C. And we'll copy that. And so the first thing you want to do is, after you do that, looks like this actually has a couple of mixtures. Looks like there's a misspelling, so we want to fix that mostly. So that's another good reason to make sure that you cut and paste into a Google Doc like this, because if there's any misspellings, Google will pick it up. So under the hop link down here, you want to go ahead and put the nickname that you created with Clickbank. Go ahead and put that here where it says your Clickbank ID. Go ahead and put that in there. And here you can also, if you like, go ahead and just put your signature. That way you don't have to do it in the email. And then here where it says location, you can work online from, what I do is I will say from any country. I'll just change that to any country. All right, so this is all ready to go. So in this document, you can, I'm going to keep updating it, so you can just come in, you can just grab it if you like. And so I'm kind of doing a little of the work for you. So you can go ahead and just open this document up every day, and then I will have the emails already in here. Or if you want to use another email, that's all up to you. I'm just kind of going in order, 1 through, I think there's 20 emails. So I'm just using them in order. And so after you got this ready, you want to go ahead and log into your My Lead Gen Secrets. I'll just do it here. So I'm already logged into my account. And then what you want to do is you want to click on Create a Message. Make sure you select all the leads. You can leave this alone here. You can see that's the email that we sent yesterday right there. So you want to go back to here and grab your subject line and then dump it in the subject. And then go back to the email itself and then dump it into the body of the email. All right, so it's mostly ready to go, but we want to go in and change this right here. Just delete that, And then we want to put in first name here. So cut and paste that here. And like I had mentioned before, I go ahead and I usually just make this bold. And so live chat assistants are in huge demand role right now. So if you qualify, click here to complete your action. I usually go ahead and highlight this whole thing. Click on this insert link tab right here. And then you want to go back and grab that hop link. And so you only want to this part of it. And then you dump that right here in the URL, then hit OK. Make sure you click perfect timing, and then always click preview and read it over. You just never know. Skills. Okay, so we can go ahead and click on our link and double check to make sure that it works. You see this here lines up directly with our email, and then all I have to do is click here to apply. So it's working. So it's to send a simple message online, $288 per day. I've double checked it. I've signed it. And like I said before, in future videos, I'm going to talk about how you can add pictures and different things to kind of dress up these emails a little bit. So I want to close it. So this email should be all ready to go. And then all you have to do is send email. So for those of you that have more than one account, which I highly recommend, you need to go ahead and open up another My Lead Gen Secrets window, and then leave this one open, and then log out of this one. And then you log into your other account. Create a message, and then all you have to do is just cut and paste over. And then highlight the entire body of the email, and then cut and paste it into here. Perfect timing, and then just click send email. And so you just repeat that depending on how many accounts you have. I have 5 accounts. I'll just repeat that 3 more times. And like I said, this My Lead Gen Secrets can be used for many other things. I use it for my other programs. I'll use it a few days a week for Clickbank. Then I'll use it a couple of days for my Home Business Academy or Multiple Income Funnel, which is one of the other programs that I'm using. And if you're interested in that, I also have a video series for a Multiple Income Funnel on here that I'm going to be adding on to here over the next week or so with more training. The Home Business Academy video series is ready to go. It has through video 10, so it should give you plenty of information to get you started. And then if you have any questions, you can always contact me. And I put my contact information below every one of the videos. You can either email me, or I have a texting setup that you can just shoot me a text and I'll respond as quickly as possible. And I mentioned this in previous videos, is one thing you have to remember is you're playing the long game with this. So you're getting 100 to 200 emails per day, 200 email lists or leads per day, and you got to play the long game because you're only going to get 100 to 200 leads per day, like I mentioned. And so, but every day you're going to get that, and it's going to add up day after day after day after day, and you're going to get more and more and more and more. I have 60,000 in one of my accounts and a little over 60 in a couple of the other accounts. It takes time to build up, but once you really start to build up the email list, that's when the sales will begin. You got to be a little patient. I think my first sale didn't come in till about the 3rd week or so, but don't forget you're only spending $1 per day for this, so it's really cheap if you think about it. It's really cheap business to get into. But it may take a month or two, but after about 3 months or 2 to 3 months, that's when the sales really begin to come in. And so there are some different programs I had mentioned earlier that you can, let's see if I can find it here. So this is just one of the affiliate marketplaces that you can get into. You can also use this live chat jobs, but then there's this get paid to use Facebook, paid online jobs, write app reviews, 1, 2, 3 profit. I haven't tried this 123 Profit yet, but it has a pretty good gravity score, so that might be something maybe we'll try over the coming weeks. Try to use and see how that one goes. But right now I'm just going to stick with this one, this live chat jobs, for at least a week or two, and to see how it goes. And then if sales aren't really coming in, then we can always switch up to the other programs at a later point. And so that's all I have in this video. If you like, go ahead and check out some of my other programs. But I'll be putting these videos out every 1 to 2 days, just to kind of see how things go. And you can follow along with me if you like. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my page. I would really appreciate it. And you have a good day wherever you may be located. Thanks.